Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy new month to you guys. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is OGOM'S, a content creator based in Abuja. Okay, and today being February, we've entered the month of February. I will say happy new month. May this month that we are entering bring lots of blessings to us, lots of favor, lots of love. Okay, remember it's the season of love. That is the month that we know that is the season of love. That doesn't mean that we don't show love the other season. Okay, now this month of February, I'm being today, I want to surprise my help. Okay, I want to surprise Patience. People will be asking who is Patience. Patience happens to be my help. And if this is a video that you enjoy, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button right now. Click on the notification bell and let's do this. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can hear me. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So Patience has been a blessing to my family. Okay, Patience came to my house when I put to bed for LOTANNA, which is 2019. I can't really remember the particular month, but it was 2019 from April, either April, May, or June. I can't really remember. If I remember, I will ask her, I will put it on the screen. And so far, so good. Patience has been blessing. Okay, Patience, I'm not saying that patience is perfect because I am not perfect, but I don't say that I have had headache where patience is. We all have our flaws, we all have our imperfection, but patience doesn't make me talk. That is what I can say about patience. Patience doesn't make me talk. Patience will be here. You won't hear her speak. I will now be the one telling her, Patience, don't you talk? Patience, speak louder so I can hear you. Good morning, ma. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma. Good morning, sir. You'll be asking her, Patience, is it how you don't talk? Is this how you behave? Anyway, when Patience came to my house, okay, Patience was doing everything amazing. She has been all shades of amazing, okay? We've all had our fair share of help, as in good and bad help. But since I've been having help, Patience has been the only one. I think this year will be make it 4 years, close to 4 years, 3 years, and Patience has been in my house. And last year, Xmas was the first time that Patience traveled to her to see her parents since she came to my house. And I don't regret ever having Patience in my house, okay? Because Patience knows how to take care of the children. I'm not saying that I'm abandoning my motherly duties to her, but it's all about ekelolweke, division of labor. She does her part and I do my part. And so far, so good. I'm grateful to Patience. I'm grateful that God brought her my way. I'm grateful that Patience, if you happen to watch this video, because sometimes I used to see her comments in my videos, okay? If you happen to watching, hey, if you happen to watch this video, just know that we love you, we appreciate you, and we wish you the best. Okay, I know that you're not going to stay here for a long time. Definitely you will get married. Okay, I want you to know that we love you, and God bless you for all that you do for us. Okay, and on that note, I'll be surprising my help today. Okay, why am I calling her my help? I'll be surprising Patience today. So Patient's phone had problem. I think, yeah, it fell down or so. And I and my husband, we decided to surprise her with a new phone. Let me show you guys. Hold on. That means I need to attach this particular one. Please, if you see my hair scattering, is this fan? Nigeria is very hot right now. So this is the phone that we got for Patience. Is a itel A58, more than bigger. This is the phone. She's going to do an unboxing when I give it to her. And we didn't tell her that we were going to get her a new phone. She just put her phone in one of the, she just put her SIM card in one of the phone that is in the house. And right now I'm going to call her to give her the phone and we will definitely see her reaction. Patience is a kind of person that don't really know how to react in some certain things, but we will sure get how she behaves in this particular video. So let's call Patience. Yeah, this is how I call Patience. 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 Ah, hold on. So I need to hide this back into the bag so that she won't know what is inside. She's coming. Hold on. Let's come now. Come this way. I don't bite. So guys, here is Patience. Okay. So take, open. Open now. Do you know whether it's puff puff that I put inside? What is inside? So I and their daddy got you this. So it's just to show more appreciation for all that you do and to encourage you to keep doing more. So that is all I can say. I beg go. I don't want. Stop making me to drop small tears. I don't want. So far so good. We just want to appreciate you for all that you do, for taking care of the children amazingly. Amazingly. I know I'm not perfect. We aren't perfect, but we try as much as possible to make sure that you are okay while you're taking care of the children. So that is why we got you this, and we'll say, may God continue to give you the strength to keep doing what you're doing. And yeah. So what do you have to say to us? See, hell. So what do you have to say? Mm, you're really surprised.
I did not expect it.
Mm, no problem. So enjoy your phone. Oh yeah, do small unboxing for us. Let's see what is inside. Be louder, be louder. It is the one that you will go and leave for LOTANNA. You will throw it inside water. So everything is intact for you. I think is the screen guard. You give to Ezekiel to go and put screen guard for you, and then a pouch of choice. So that is it. Ngwa, carry and be going. So guys, I've given Patience her phone. Now, this video is not to spite anyone or to show off, okay? I know that people have had very bad experiences with help, but all I can say is that any help that comes your way, treat that help right, okay? Treat that help right. Don't use because of the bad of a help that left your house and treat the good one that you have bad, okay? We all have our fair share of this help breakfast because some of our help did not come back for this January, but I'm glad mine came. Okay, I would say I'm lucky and I'm blessed to have patience in my house. So treat your help right. Okay, no matter how it is, they take care of our children. All you need to do is to continue to show them love in any way you can. I'm not saying you should go buy, if you have the opportunity of buying expensive gifts for them, do so. But if you don't, buy things that you know that they would appreciate. It goes down to maybe buying their undies or buying their what's this stuff, their toiletries. Okay, some people say I pay you, so why would I buy toiletries and the rest of them for you? But if you're opportuned and you're buoyant enough to do that, then do that and move on. All these things you buy for them, it doesn't take anything out of your earning. They take care of your children. They stay 247 with your kids. So if you have any opportunity of showing them love, do so and move ahead with it. Okay, it all boils down to our megad. Megad is like the gate men. If you know that you don't give them food, from time to time, if you make food, give them. It doesn't take anything out of you. If you make food for the house, also give them food. Love starts from within your home. Don't go and showing love. Don't go and be showing love outside. Why the people in your house is not comfortable, okay? Show love in any way you can. Anybody that comes your way, show love, because you don't know the people that you meet on your way down. So anywhere you meet, hey, Shebi, I'm getting the English. Shebi, patience. Anybody you meet on your way down, I'll be on your way up. Show the person love as much as possible. So that is what I want to preach for this video. Okay. So far so good. I'm happy that we actually did this for Patience because we love her. Okay. We appreciate her for all that she does. And on that note, I will say, just keep showing love to people, no matter who the person is. Okay. Don't differentiate your love. Don't discriminate your love. That is all I want to preach on this video. So, again now. Again now. So, do you have anything to say for us? Ngwa, collect mic.
Was I used?
Ngwa, come closer. Collect mic. Ngwa, what do you want to say? You did not tell us Happy New Year. You said some other time. Ngwa, Tell us Happy New Year.
Hell.
Hell! Hell! Oh, that's simple. Hell! Hell! Ngwa, you are the president now. Drop one or two words for us.
I'm just shocked of it.
So, what do you have to say?
Appreciation is just flowing. Thank you so much.
You don't thank me alone, no. You also thank your daddy because
Yes.
Naim do almost everything. So I'm just the initiator. Abi, I'm just the initiator. So you thank me, you also thank the person that made it possible. So without God blessing him, say we no go see phone, but we pray to God to continue to bless him. And to bless you too to continue doing the good job that you are doing. So Ngwa, close my vlog for me. Close the video. Collect mic from my hand.
Oh.
Ngwa, put it in your mouth like this. Oh yeah. So what do you have to say to my subscribers?
Hmm. My God. Seriously, I don't know what to say, but
Did you guys hear the intonation? Hear the phonetics? Ngwa, continue.
hmm. To the subscribers, keep on subscribing, and we really appreciate if you watch this video and find it so meaningful. Always keep doing good. Being good is always the right thing. Though I know I'm not super perfect, but the things I receive a lot despite. Hmm. Thank you
You're
so
short of
much.
words.
Thank you so much. That's just it. Being good is always the best in life. So I appreciate. I find a comfortable place like yours. I'm so much happy with it. Thank
I was trying to remove your hand from your mouth so that you
you.
talk. So, guys, on that note, I'll be ending this video right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I need to rush out for work, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, if you're still scared on getting help, okay, I don't blame you because outside world is scary. Okay, help is scary. Some people will tell me even after watching this video, I'm not getting any help. No problem, I understand you, but just keep trying, keep pushing. Okay, if you know that you can do it alone, fine and good, but if you know that you can't do it alone, please get help. And for all my obodo Ibo subscribers, I know you guys cannot relate to this video because you don't have a help. I wish there is a way that outside there people can get help so easily. Una go enjoy tire, but in all that you guys do, I want to applaud you guys for doing good, being good mothers. Okay, so on that note, keep pushing in all that you guys do. I pray for God's strength to all my obodo Ibo subscribers. So people will be asking, what is obodo Ibo? Obodo Ibo subscribers is those that are outside the country. Okay, so I applaud you guys for being so strong in carrying out all that you guys are juggling with work, motherhood, YouTube, everything. I really applaud you guys, and I will say that this video is especially for you guys too. Appreciate you people for all that you guys do for us. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this particular video. If you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.